Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can distinct count in pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. By default, pivot tables allow you to show a regular count, but not distinct or unique values. For example, here I have a pivot table that shows the count of departments by city, but it doesn't recognize unique values. If I check the value field settings, you'll see there's no option for distinct count. The solution is simple. When creating your pivot table, make sure to select your data range, go to Insert, then go to Pivotable, and in the dialog box check Add this data to the data model. Then click OK. Now, recreate your pivot table as usual. When you drag a field into the Values area, right-click it, go to Value Field Settings, and scroll down. You'll now see the Distinct Count option available. Select it, and Excel will display the unique values instead of just the total count. This is super useful for analyzing things like unique customers, products, or departments. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.